When organizations invest in training, leaders naturally want to know, did this actually make a difference? That's where experimental design comes in. This method allows HR professionals to move beyond opinions and assumptions and instead rely on evidence to determine whether a training program truly works. The purpose of experimental design is simple but powerful: to identify cause and effect. In HR terms, we're asking whether training caused a meaningful change in employee performance, or whether results may be due to something else entirely. This clarity is what makes experimental design so valuable. Every experiment involves two key variables. The independent variable is what we control, such as a training program. The dependent variable is what we measure, like leadership skills, productivity, or customer satisfaction. The goal is to see whether the training drives measurable improvement in these outcomes. To truly understand impact, experimental design relies on comparison. One group receives the training while another does not. This side-by-side comparison helps HR isolate the effect of training and avoid confusing results caused by unrelated factors. Random assignment is one of the most important features of experimental design. By assigning employees randomly, HR reduces the risk that prior experience, motivation, or talent skews the results. This makes the findings more credible and more useful when making decisions about future training. The Solomon 4-group design takes evaluation to the next level. By using 4 groups instead of 2, HR can determine not only whether training works, but whether simply taking a pretest influences performance. This level of insight is especially helpful in complex training environments. Experimental design gives HR professionals confidence. It replaces guesswork with evidence and supports smarter decisions about training investments. When organizations understand what works and why, they're far better positioned to build effective, high-impact learning programs.